Díobh gach duine, so it's Lake Savalia, Shocked and Fihis a Shocked, week 27, Law Do, Lahan Arcade is a Shocked, page 107, Ag Péinteáil.
Ag Péinteáil.
Lá geal agus tírim a bhí ann. Bhí an chláán an muis a Gordín. Bhí Daddy agus James ag Péinteáil an bhalla. Dúsáid siad paint bhain. Bhí Mammy ag Péinteáil an bhord. Dúsáid si paint glas. Bhí Sophia ag Péinteáil an futta cray. Dúsáid si paint ghuirim, bhuí agus yarg. Bhí an Gordín go hálan.
Oh, okay, Ag Péinteáil. Anything with an egg in front of it is a ing word in Irish, so painting. Lá geal agus tírim a bhí ann. A nice, bright and dry, tírim is dry, day. Bhí an clans, the clan is the family. The family were out sa gargin in the garden. Bhí Daddy agus James, there's Daddy agus James, ag Péinteáil, painting on Volla, the wall. It looks like wall as well, A-L-L. Dúsáid siad paint bhain. They used white paint. Bhí Mammy ag Péinteáil on board. Mummy was painting the table. Dúsáid she used paint glass, green paint. Bhí Sophia ag Péinteáil on potta cray. So Sophia was ag Péinteáil painting the potta cray, the clay pot. Dúsáid she paint gurm. She used green paint, yellow paint and red paint. Bhí an Gardín go hálainn. So at the end of the day, the Gardín was go hálainn. It was beautiful.
Ceistena. Ceiste héan. Cén sort lé a bhí ann?
Okay, so what sort of day was it? What sort of day? Lá, geal agus tírim a bhí ann.
Ceiste dó. Cá raibh an chláán?
Okay, so cá raibh, where were the family? Cá raibh, the answer is going to start with V. So bhí an clán an muis sa gargin, out in the garden.
Ceiste trí. An raibh Daddy agus James ag Péinteáil an tí?
So on Rev, were Daddy and James painting the house? There's two answers, V or ní Rev. So ní Rev, Daddy agus James ag Péinteáil an tí.
Ceiste cethair. An raibh Sophia ag Péinteáil an futta?
Was Sophia painting the pot? So again, there's two answers, on Rev. V, Sophia ag Péinteáil an futta, or ní Rev, Sophia ag Péinteáil an futta.
Ceiste cúig. Céirdiad na dahanna a dúsáid Sophia?
So with Irish, you're going to start with the verb, okay? So, dúsáid, Sophia. Sophia used, and then you're going to have to mention the colours after that. Well done, everybody.